Whisky. Whisky is a type of distilled spirit made from fermented grain mash. It is typically aged in wooden barrels for several years, which gives it its distinct flavor and color. The unique characteristics of different types of whisky are influenced by the specific grains used, the distillation process, and the aging process. While other spirits, such as vodka, rum, and gin, also undergo a distillation process, they are made from different base ingredients and are produced using distinct production methods, resulting in their own unique flavors and characteristics. The history of whisky can be traced back to medieval Ireland and Scotland, where it was first produced by monks in monasteries. The word whisky comes from the Gaelic word usbitha, which translates to water of life. During the 12th and 13th century, Irish monks began distilling a type of whisky known as aquavite or water of life. This early whisky was used for medicinal purposes and was heavily taxed by the British government. In the 15th and 16th centuries, whisky production began to spread throughout Scotland and Ireland. Distilleries in Scotland began to use malted barley as the main ingredient in their whisky, which gave it a distinct flavor and color. During the 18th century, Irish and Scottish immigrants brought whisky-making techniques to the United States, particularly to the southern colonies. American whisky production began to flourish, particularly in the form of bourbon, which is made primarily from corn and aged in charred oak barrels. In the 19th century, whisky production continued to expand globally, with distilleries popping up in countries like Canada, Japan, and India. In the 20th century, the popularity of whisky continued to grow, with new styles and variations being developed and consumed all over the world. Today, whisky is one of the most popular spirits in the world, with many different styles, brands, and varieties available, from the traditional scotch and bourbon to the more modern blends and flavored whiskies.